Hello and welcome to another episode of Workshop Wednesday. Now, this week it is the first Wednesday of the new month, which means it's Tool of the Month time. And today we're going to be talking about harmonic balance pulling sets. What we like to do when we're looking to buy a tool is work out whether we're going to use that tool a lot, in which case we would get a more expensive, higher quality one, or if we don't think that we're going to use it very much or we're unsure, we go for a cheaper option, which is what we did when we went for our current or previous harmonic balance pulling set, and this has worked for a number of years, and you've probably seen it in quite a few of our videos when we've been pulling flywheels off engines and stuff like that. And it recently died when Dad was using it to take the steering wheel off our Land Rover Defender 90. Now, before we go into our replacements that we bought, what we'll do is show you what it is exactly that we've actually broken. If I just open this up here. So this is our harmonic balance pulling set that we were using, and it did last for quite a while. However, as you see now on this component, the thread is completely destroyed on the end here, which makes it now unusable. Ever since we started using this set a lot, we've been looking for a high quality replacement, just in case they broke, or just so we could have a high quality one so that there wasn't as much wear and stuff on the components. However, we found that quite difficult, and what we did instead was we went for two of similar quality to this one, which you can actually still buy this exact set for around £22, or which is around $25 US. I won't be doing the euro conversion for any of the prices in this video, because at time of recording, USD and euros are pretty much the same. So when I say about US dollars, everyone that wants it in euros, that's pretty much your figure. And it would also cost you around 32 Canadian dollars. But as I said before, we went for two different ones of similar quality to see how they would go. The first one of our replacements that we're going to look at is this one here. It's made by a company called Toolzone, and it, like the Clark one, is a 46-piece set. And according to this picture, I have to say it looks pretty identical to our previous one. And a strange thing we noticed on the advert of this was it was advertised and the picture of the box was red, whereas clearly this isn't red. However, if we just unwrap this here, we can get to opening it up. A couple of things appear to have come out of their slots. If we just get everything back where it should be, so you can see. This set here is pretty much identical in quality and build and everything to this Clark set. However, there is a difference between them, which is the price. For this Toolzone set, you'll be paying £16, which is about 19 US dollars slash euros, or 25 Canadian dollars, which is about a 20% decrease in price from our old Clark one, which you're probably, for the Clark one, simply paying for the name of the brand rather than the tool. Now on to the other replacement set that we bought, which is made by a company called US Pro. And one good thing we've spotted about this already is made of a nice plastic tub that it can be stored in, rather than the other ones which are just kind of in plastic trays. However, first we need to get into this, so I'll just reuse one of the bits from our old Clark set. There we go. And this is the US Pro one, which does look quite a bit different to the other two. This US Pro set seems to be better quality than the previous two we've looked at, mainly in two parts, which are this puller part, and which is actually a disc shape rather than the kind of other shape that the other two both take. And also the threaded part here, which is good to have a higher quality one of these, since the part that broke on our Clark one was that. However, the quality increase is reflected in the price. In fact, the price for this set is pretty much the other two combined. This will cost you 36 Great British pounds, or 43 US dollars, or slash euros, or 55.5 Canadian dollars. Although we've made our evaluations and judgments from the look, the true test and comparison between these two would be using them, which I'm sure we'll do fairly soon on some of our projects, and these will definitely be used quite a lot, as the old one was, and I'm sure the old one will continue to be used, as I showed when I was opening up or going through the plastic film. On this one, it still has uses. But when we bought these two, we did actually find a high quality one from quite a big brand, which if these two don't go too well, then we might invest in that and then make a comparison between those, which would be quite an interesting comparison. But we'd be very interested in hearing your thoughts on these, and any suggestions for a high quality one if these don't perform well. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.